Hello lad buddies, let's see what I've got this time. Now this one arrived pre-opened, as it would seem, which I thought was quite interesting. Don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, that sort of stuff if you like the videos. And if you want to subscribe, make sure you subscribe. This looks like, this is Kapton Tape. Or is it? Purchased Kapton Tape before from China. It's more like coloured sellotape because when you heat it up it melts and just disappears. So trying to use hot air in it, it just shrivels up and disappears. Let's see what happens with this when I put some hot air in it, shall we? Let's give it a test out. Let's see how this goes. This is at 350 degrees. Well, that's looking fine. It's not shrivelling up. If I do the floating ends, see what happens there. Oh, that looks fine. That's working alright. Let's try some more heat. Let's go 450. 450 degrees. No, that's doing alright. Try floating in. Sweet. It looks like it's real. Well, that's a pleasant surprise. It actually looks like it's real Kapton tape, not fake stuff. That's brilliant. Last time I got something that was like sellotape, like I said. There'll be links down below for these items as well, so don't forget to check those out. These didn't take too long to arrive. Ferrules. I'm not talking about like feral people. Ferrules to go on wires. So when you're doing terminal ends, like screw terminal, stuff like that, you slip one of these things over the wire, crimp it on, and then you do the screw terminal up. Now, I thought I actually had some of these. Do you think I could find them? No. So I bought some more. Check the links out. These aren't quite what I was expecting, but okay. So these are some potentiometers. I did a bit of a splurge recently and purchased a whole bunch. This is a switch, not a potentiometer. I'll even try and get it in focus for you. There we go. So it's got 4 legs, so 5 legs. So it's positioned all the way one side. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 position switch. I think it's 2-pole switch, I think. That's alright, it's quite compact and nice. It feels quite nice too. And the second bag here is the same kind of design. 5 legs on the back each well for 2 poles. But this is a 3-position switch. So there's a 4-position, these are 3-position. But it's still got 5 legs each, which is curious. I guess I'm going to have to figure out that pin out. I don't know if it's standard or not. It looks exactly the same, no different. And the last bag is a little bit different. 2 switches with no nuts or anything on them. It's annoying. Yeah, that's a pot with a switch on the back. There you go. So it's a D shaft pot. Really small profile. I thought it would be bigger than this, but oh, but there's no nuts. You know, I don't know, maybe there's nuts chucked in one of these. I doubt it though. You think to put them in this bag. Switch on the back. Pot on the front. I don't know what the value of the pot is. Doesn't say. Don't remember. There'll be links for these down below. Still got that massive box yet. Let's see what's in there. I think I know what's in it actually. I think it's a review item. Don't know for sure, but that's what I think it is. So I see 8 devices. What are they? I don't need a microscope for this, I can't see it. There you go. 7660 SI BAS. So these are the negative voltage regulators. So these are used for converting a negative voltage from a positive voltage. I use these on my voltage divider project. And at the time I only bought a couple from local stock. So these are from AliExpress. Are they real? Who knows? They could be. But I don't know why they would fake these particular parts. So yeah, I bought a bunch of those. Yeah, they're fairly cheap to get from overseas. So I think this had like a 3 volts to 30 volt operating range, something like that. So you put in a positive voltage and it basically drops it down to a negative voltage. So if you want to create a minus 5 volt rail from a 5 volt rail, you just drop one of these things in and do a few discrete components around it and off you go. Simple things to use, pretty cool. Now we've got the big box. Let's find out what's in this thing. It's a digital microscope. So yes, this is a review item. They actually arrived very fast. It was only, I don't know, a week. It's pretty good. Right, let's open it up and see what's in there. Now you saw me use my little AD, is it 207? I think it is, Andonstar AD 207, which I got reviewed, I got given for review earlier in the year, I think it was, might have been late last year, which I've been using a lot for doing videos because it's really convenient to go out on camera. Now Andonstar contacted me again the other day and said, hey, would you want to review another scope? So I said sure, so I went onto the website and I found this bad boy. This has got a 10-inch screen on it. So one you saw before, I think it's a 7-inch screen. This is a 10-inch screen. Look at this thing. Look at that. It's like a giant version. It comes with all the bits, like I don't know, it's a USB cable, indicator light controller thing for the backlights or the LED lights that comes with it. Now I did a video previously on the other one, my AD207, because I had a bit of bad luck with that one and the driver for the LEDs failed. Wasn't a big deal, just transistor failed. I did a video on that fixing it, but it's exactly the same one here, so if this one ever goes as well. I think this is the AD407, I think that's the number one, but this one? If it says it somewhere. I must say it somewhere. Yeah, anyway, so it looks like exactly the same controller, exactly the same design, so if you ever have one of these things fail, then just look at my video for the AD207 LED light repair, whatever it's called. And here is a box of little bits and pieces in there, and a nice big stand, bigger than the other one, with the same LED light setup. So I'll do a review on this thing, so make sure you go and check out my main channel, Defpom's Electronics and Repair, if you're not familiar with it, although I think most of you will be. Oh, HDMI cable as well, because I'll be doing the review on there, so watch out for that coming up. Remote control as well. Some little bits and pieces for doing the clips to hold boards down, and USB adapter. Is that the correct one as well? It is, it's even the correct one. And also you've got the actual stand piece here it goes onto. So yeah, I'll be doing a review on this thing. I'm going to turn it on now. You're going to have to wait and be in suspense until the review comes out. In fact, actually, the review might come out before this video. Actually, it might do. The review for this will come out before this Mailbag video. I've already got the next Mailbag video recorded and uploaded. That's ready to go. So this video will be in a week's time. So yeah, I'm likely to be. If you want to see the review on this, look at my main channel. It would have been a few days ago. Most likely. If it's not there a few days ago, then look in this week and you'll see it. But within the next week, either previous week or the next week, you'll see the review for this thing, so make sure you check that out. Thanks to my existing Patreon supporters. Appreciate you all. You're brilliant people. Really do like the fact that some people are really generous and they want to help contribute to the channel, help me to make content. Really appreciate it. Really do. So make sure you give me a thumbs up for liking the video. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Click the bell icon to get notifications, otherwise you won't be told when I publish new ones. And check out my Patreons as well. If you want to become a Patreon, help support the channel, help me to buy things Mailbag, then that's always great. You know, I'll check out the links down below for my Patreon links, or if you want to check out my other channels, the links down below for those as well. I'm going to check those out if you're not familiar with them. I've been doing YouTube for a while now. I've been on it for 4 years. Been a YouTuber for 4 years. Not exactly 4 years, but around 4 years. As far as I've been doing, making proper content. And say, if you're not familiar with my main channel, I've got 14,500 subscribers on my main channel at the time I'm saying this. So yeah, go and check that one out too if you're not familiar with it. There's lots of interesting stuff on there. Right, I'll catch you later. See you next one. Bye. Oh, don't forget the merch. It's always a capacitor. Thank you very much for not supporting me. I enjoy making videos, enjoy showing what I'm playing around with. It was just originally I was going to video bits of what I'm doing at the time. I was, you know, if I'm working on something, I'll do a video of that and slap it up, which was going to be rather random and erratic. And I've ended up basically turning my life into doing YouTube videos and buying things and trying to create content to keep you guys entertained. Yeah, if you want to support me, that's great. Because that'll certainly be appreciated, because this is an expensive hobby. Catch you later. Thanks for watching. Click the bell icon. Bye.